Sunset Boulevard. After a good race and rain, syempre deserve the small reward para sa atin. Small reward na is itreat natin sa Ina-crave natin ba na? So, easy. There is me, Mandurriao. Ang Gyoza, dumplings, Siomai. So, try that today. So, ari ka walking ako sa buong So, medyo walking distance lang guys. So, kita kids. Actually, familiar yun ako muna guys sa name na Gob'S. So, ayun, ako na-curious ako kag first time ko matry ang ila ng mga bestsellers kag ila pagin ng mga bago na products. So, kita kids mga kanos. Bye! Guys, so try tani ang baked broccoli. Next. Last na po. Gyoza. So, first time ko matry yung products nila guys, and na-speechless ako sa quality, sa consistency, and solid ang ila na ingredients inside, and also appearance wise, grabe. Arila Japanese Siomai, one of my favorites. Biskan solo ka lang makaon, busog ka gid. Best gid ni siya for takeouts and sa mga barkada and loved ones. You can tell talaga na homemade products ang ila mga foods. That's why gali, it's one of the most recommended and kag-ari ila bestseller. Perfect combination of cheese, chili, and sauce. Speaking of sauces, try nyo gid ang ila spicy sauce. Mayaraman sila toyo mansi. And by the way guys, I'm using voiceover kay damage ako na background sound during
I'm not
this
a food critic guys, pero for my food experience solid.
I have many high expectations for this product and also for this brand.
Delivered one of the best experience for my food taste and palate.
And special shoutout sa duwa ka staff na nag-accommodate ka, nag-assist sa akon. Thank you gid so much.
And also must try ang pork buns.
Namit gid siya kag siksik sa laman.
Once again, this is Rinky Nose. Thank you for watching.